The LONTEK Brushless Treadmill. This one promises a more modern motor system. Brushless, possibly better durability and quieter running, plus features like silicone cushioning. Let's break it down. Key features: since it uses a brushless motor, that suggests less maintenance, no brushes to wear out, lower noise, possibly more efficient power usage. The inclusion of silicone cushioning, or silicone rollers or components, suggests smoother belt operation and greater comfort underfoot. Usually, brands that call out brushless also try to reduce vibration and improve lifespan. Other likely highlights are basic digital display for speed, time, distance, safety features like emergency stop, likely foldable or compact design, maybe incline options, though likely modest, perhaps device holder. Given the features, price is probably mid-range among home treadmills with modern motor tech. Customer reviews often point out that brushless motors feel quieter, more premium in feel, though sometimes at cost of service difficulty, if parts not easily available, or higher cost initially. On the positive side, users buying this LONTEK model are likely impressed by quiet operation, smooth rides, the cushioning silicone helps reduce joint impact, and maybe that initial cost feels justified, especially if used regularly. For anyone doing walking, recovery runs, maybe light jogging, this kind of machine feels more comfortable and less noisy, so better for apartments or shared living. On the downside, brushless motors, while better, might cost more to repair if they fail, and spare parts may be harder to source depending on geography. Also, if belt or frame isn't very big, taller users may feel cramped or limited. If incline is minimal, that's less useful for hill training. Also, even though advertised features are attractive, sometimes reality doesn't meet expectations for durability. Users might report that after a year or more belt alignment issues, or components wear out. Warranty matters a lot here. Overall, this LONTEK treadmill seems like a solid pick if you want quieter performance, smoother ride, and better comfort, especially for walk, light run use in smaller or shared spaces. If your priority is sprinting, high incline, or heavy daily use, check the specs carefully and compare with more rugged models. If you're interested, I've dropped the buy link in the description box. If you want, I can also send you a side-by-side comparison, price versus features, of these three to help you choose.